Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with the vintage air pulley kit on there for our customer's 1931 Ford Model A. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft installed, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, made in America. We have the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing chrome valve covers with the chrome 14-inch air cleaner with the washable filter. We have the distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. It's real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Engine block painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the rear sump, Fox Body Mustang oil pan. It's correct for the 1931 Ford Model A. Oil stick and tube is on there. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, loop clamps all installed. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. I installed the manifold vacuum fittings. If he has any vacuum hookups, you can go right on there. Heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation line. This is the vintage air pulley kit, serpentine pulley kit with the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. It's the 170 amp alternator on there. You have the thermostat housing on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, high flow reverse rotation water pump, AC compressors on there. All the AC lines are on there, coming down over here, all installed. This is the power steering pump for the vintage air, the GM Type 2 with the reservoir. I put the power steering line on there, coming off back here, the AN6 fitting on there. Every engine is live run, fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. I'm going to set the ignition timing for you, adjust the idle mixture screws, set the idle on the engine. It's going to be fully tested, drop in ready to go. So there you have it. Again, our 302 Ford 350 horsepower custom built engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.